Graphics play a crucial role in enhancing user experience and visual appeal in software applications. They enable developers to create interactive interfaces, visualize data, and convey information effectively. From simple shapes to complex animations, graphics programming adds richness and depth to applications, making them more engaging and user-friendly. The power of graphics in software enhances user experience. Graphics improve visual appeal and engagement in applications. Enables interactivity and data visualization. Graphics facilitate interactive interfaces and effective data representation. Adds engagement and depth. Graphics programming enriches applications, making them more engaging and user-friendly. Turbo C, developed by Borland International, quickly gained popularity as one of the most powerful and user-friendly integrated development environments, IDEs, for the C programming language. Released in 1987, Turbo C offered a comprehensive suite of tools and features, including a fast compiler, debugger, and text editor, all packaged in a single, easy-to-use interface. Its affordability and compatibility with the MS-DOS operating system made Turbo C accessible to a wide range of developers, from hobbyists to professionals, fueling its rapid adoption and widespread use. Ever heard of the classic MS-DOS interface from the 80s? If not, don't worry. Let's install it together and enjoy the vintage experience of coding from decades past.
Download Turbo C++. Go to the official website of Turbo C++ or search for Turbo C++ download on Google. Look for a reliable source to download the setup file. Run the installer. Once the setup file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves downloads. Double-click the setup file to run the installer. Follow installation instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer to complete the installation process. You may need to specify the installation directory and agree to the terms and conditions. Launch Turbo C++. After the installation is complete, you can launch Turbo C++ from the Start menu or desktop shortcut, depending on your preferences. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of graphics programming? Today, we'll learn how to draw rectangles in Turbo C++, a classic IDE loved by programmers for its simplicity and power. First, let's set up our graphics environment. We include the Graphics.h header file and initialize the graphics mode using the initgraph function. Next, we'll draw a rectangle on the screen. We specify the coordinates for the top left and bottom right corners of the rectangle using the rectangle function. Finally, we close the graphics mode to clean up after ourselves using the closeGraph function. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we've created a simple rectangle on the screen. Now, let's run the program and see our masterpiece in action. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of graphics programming with Turbo C++. Now, let's replicate the same functionality with even greater ease using Dev C++. Unlike Turbo C++, Dev C++ offers a modern and user-friendly development environment, making it the preferred choice for contemporary programmers seeking enhanced productivity and compatibility with modern operating systems. Dev C++ is a popular integrated development environment, IDE, for C and C++ programming languages, known for its simplicity and ease of use. To get started with Dev C++, head over to the official website at dev-cpp.org and navigate to the Download section or search the same in Google. Once you're on the Downloads page, you'll find the latest version of Dev C++ available for download. Click on the Download button, and the installation file will begin downloading. After the download is complete, locate the installation file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Dev C++ on your Windows system. Once the installation is finished, you're ready to start coding. Now, let's talk about WinBGIME. WinBGIME stands for Windows BGI, Borland Graphics Interface, and is a graphics library that allows us to create graphical applications in C or C++. It provides functions for drawing basic shapes, text, and more, making it essential for developing graphical applications. In Dev C++, the include folder contains header files needed for compiling programs, while the lib folder contains libraries required for linking. By copying Graphics.h and WinBIM.h to the include folder and libg.a to the lib folder, we ensure that Dev C++ can find these files when compiling and linking programs that use WinBGIME. Compiler options are essential for linking libraries during compilation. LBGI links BGI for graphics. LGDI32 links GDI for Windows graphics. LCOMDLG32 links Common Dialog for files. LUUID links UUID for IDs. LOLEAUT32 links OLE automation. LOLE32 links OLE for documents. Let's now execute the same rectangle program in Dev C++. Click on the Compile and Run button or press F9 to compile and execute the program, and a rectangle is drawn on the screen using the Dev C++ IDE. Ever wondered how to bring graphics to life in C++? Today, we'll walk through a simple yet captivating program that animates a moving car using the Graphics.h library. Next, we initialize the graphics system and set up variables for our car animation. Now, let's dive into the heart of our program, the animation loop. With each iteration, we clear the screen and redraw the car at a new position. Using a combination of lines and circles, we construct the car's body, wheels, windows, and other details, giving it a realistic appearance. We add a slight delay between frames to control the animation speed, ensuring smooth movement. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we've created a captivating animation of a moving car. Now, it's your turn to unleash your creativity with graphics programming in C++. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy coding.